Good morning. Jenny and I are, whoa, what's wrong with my camera? Hold on, let these announcements finish. The announcements.
If your final destination is outside the US, please bring.
Okay, Jenny and I are heading to Miami with Neutrogena. And we're so excited. We've already laughed so much this morning, you guys. The weirdest things always happen to us. We're at our gate now, so we're gonna eat a little something and just chill and wait to board. Oh guys, this is like the cutest sign ever. Welcome Melissa and Jennifer. Ah, it's so cute. I feel like we're on a little friendship honeymoon right now. I can't wait to put all of this on my face. They have all of the Neutrogena HydroBoost Hydrating Tint foundations, which I will definitely be wearing. I gotta figure out which one is my shade. Actually, I kind of know which one is my shade because I have it at home. And then I definitely gotta wash my face before makeup because that plane ride was long. I love this moisturizer. Chris actually always steals it from me, so he's gonna want some of these. I'm trying to upload a video and then I have to get ready because we have to be in the lobby in a couple hours. But I still have to do my makeup and get dressed and I have to unpack. Guys, we're on our way to dinner now and I'm just sitting here with a supermodel.
Oh my god, you guys
like,
are
wait, can we take a moment?
Can we take a moment to talk about your lashes?
I cannot.
Oh my god.
They're lash extensions.
Really?
She does lash extensions. She did them for me.
Yes.
She's so good. She's gonna touch them up for me this weekend too.
Gorge. I don't know.
I kind of want the red one. We are up very early. We're about to do a workout with Neutrogena. We're at the Spartan gym and I'm a little nervous because it looks very intense.
Yeah, for sure.
You ready to box?
Guys, we did it. We got through our workout.
Now we're gonna do our spot.
She still looks good. Look at her, look at her. And to think, I didn't want to wake up early to work out this morning, but
How long's gonna be an actual routine?
look at Jenny. She worked her ass off.
Ladies, grab some water, pay attention. You guys are
Oh wait, we're not done. We're not done? Oh.
We're gonna do a circuit now.
We are running a little late. We're gonna go meet everyone at the lobby because we have water excursion day, water activities. Got our bathing suits on. I'm excited.
En busca de un amor que no sabe lo que quiere, no, no. En busca de un amor que se perdió.
Guys, this is our room. We're having a sleepover here.
Sleepover.
I want to live here. Guys, you need these. You need these, and she designed them.
I did.
Are you kidding me? I'm gonna list the website for you guys down below so you guys can check them out, and I definitely need a pair of my own before I steal hers. Guys, we are now getting ready to head to, well, we just had like the most amazing day on the beach, and we're now getting ready to head to the pajama party, and my cousin Kelly's here.
Hello. I don't know where to look. Do I look here? I don't want to like look at myself.
You can look at yourself.
I'm gonna look at
How
myself.
gorgeous she is. She's coming to the PJ party with us. Thank you. And I'm gonna link her below because she actually is a makeup artist in Miami, and she also works on movies doing special effects makeup, so you guys need to follow her. I'll list both your accounts. And she just threw some shade at me because I haven't posted her.
Because you never posted the shade.
My bad. All right, let's go. Vámonos. You guys, this is insane. This is the we're in the Neutrogena suite right now. We're having a pajama party and everything is just so cute. I'm like super close to the camera, my bad.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
So cute. I want this table like in my future dining room. Party with all the girls here. It's the most gorgeous suite ever. I mean, look at all this. I'm so happy I'm here, you guys. I'm having the best time. Like every minute of the day, we get a new surprise. Like Neutrogena is just, but they just told us that they have a surprise for us in another room, and that we get to go shopping. And I'm dying.
Go, pick your. They're gonna help you guys, so feel free. Dr. B, you too.
And we actually have a suggestion for you.
Oh, you do? Okay, I want to see your suggestion.
Yes. This is a bodysuit.
It's beautiful.
All fitted around here. And then you wear
Alright guys, it is time for bed. But I am gonna do a mask before bed because tomorrow we're actually going to the Premios Juventud, and I want my makeup to look real fleeky. And I need to moisturize my skin. So I took my makeup off using these wipes, which first of all, I love Neutrogena wipes, but I really love these hydrating ones. These are the Hydrating, Cleanse, and Remove Makeup, and it removes waterproof mascara as well. And you can definitely feel the difference because these are definitely a lot more hydrating than any other wipes I've used. So I took my makeup off with that, and then I exfoliated my skin using the HydroBoost exfoliating cleanser, this right here, which now my skin feels super, super clean, but now I need moisture. All right, so I'm gonna do now the HydroBoost Hydrating Overnight Gel Mask, this little pot right here, which is so cute. I'm literally using the camera as my mirror right now. Oh my god, that feels so good. We all need to do this mask. Good morning. Good morning. We just finished having breakfast at the Neutrogena suite, and now we are going to the spa. They made spa appointments for us, which, oh my god, I'm so excited. You guys know how I got lash extensions? Well, Jenny is gonna touch them up for me. I fell in the ocean really hard yesterday, and my lashes still look really, really good, but she has to fill it in a little because I was due for a touch up anyways. We just finished getting ready for tonight. We're going to Los Premios Juventud. Jenny's over there getting ready. We're gonna go meet everyone at the Neutrogena suite. I don't think I can I take this camera? I'm gonna try to take this camera with me so I can vlog a little. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but if not, I will have my phone and maybe I'll just try to vlog the rest on my phone. Anyways, let's get out of here. Oh, and earlier I had my makeup done at the Neutrogena suite. I love how they did my eyes. I wanted like a smoky lash line, but with eyeshadow, and that's exactly what she gave me. I love it.
En busca de un amor que no sabe lo que quiere.